In this video, I will show the difference between Repack and Advanced Repack. There are these two functionalities that you can see on the top of warehouse list. The difference is basically that on Repack, you can select packages and at the end, you will be has as a result one or more packages. This is mean like the system recognize the final packages as a new one, and on the advanced repack the systems take all the packages that you select in the beginning as a final result. Let's see it from here. If I select, for example, these 3 packages and select the option repack, the system select the packages and allows me to create a new one. For example, if this is the 3 packages in one piece, I can add the photo and select update. On here you can see that I have the repackaged warehouse receipt, that is the initials warehouse receipts or packages, and on the other section is the final packages that I get. This is the repack option, and if I go to here to manage, and if I select, for example, these 2 and at advanced repack, the system use shipper consignee and adding, you can see this is a specific case, and it's so interesting because we do have 4 pieces and the system display the 4 pieces, one on each line with the original information. They set here the dimensions and the weight, so it's pretty easy to generate at the end 4 pieces, all the weight, all the volume, and I can just select repack. So depending of the way that the company works, you can use repack, that is basically destroy the initials packages and generate one at the end, or use the same packages that you use at the beginning and you will have the same. It's just like a for general purpose, tells to your end client like this is the initial and this is the end. We put it the same, but it's something for the administration purpose, has just one warehouse receipt at the end, can be more organized, that has maybe more than one. So the good things about Trackingpremium is like you can decide what operations or what type of process can adjust better to your company. Thank you so much.